Wow.
Your sausage?
Yeah, there you go. They make their own sausage.
You know, we have a KitchenAid, and I just got the attachment to make sausage. Where could I find the casings?
You know what? I don't know. Actually, I mean, I see these guys back here with tons of them, but I don't know exactly where they get them from.
Oh, okay.
So, you know,
Casings? We're going to start making sausages.
Here.
Oh, you do?
we have a.
We do sell them.
She goes through the market, so she knows.
I think we have some in the near the butcher case, but let me go look.
Okay, I'm going to walk over with you because I want to see the butcher case.
Sure.
Thank you.
That's right.
I think we just noticed them the other day.
Oh, okay, that would be wonderful.
Pizza dough anywhere? Yeah. This way.
We have some this way too?
It's in the freezer.
Oh, I always get people back to that one.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at this.
So, what casings?
Yes.
And then, yeah.
Oh, wow. We
So,
had
you know, we won the best butcher in Florida and the best independent butcher in Florida.
Did you? Do you know who I saw on TV was Boozy Pig? Are you familiar with that? They're in Tampa, Boozy Pig.
I'm not familiar with
Oh, okay, because they come in and they deliver all the meat, and it's just like the cow, half a cow, and they butcher it up right then and there. So I want to go over there, but thank you so much.
No, again, we won the best butcher in Florida.
Wow, look at that chili garlic
And we
crunch.
make our own sausages.
Oh.
And we do age. Most of our meats, our aging cases are up or above.
Oh,
See up on the wall? Those are our aging cases, and then we cut the meats.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. I'm going to come back and get more cheese. Some cheese, I should say. Thank you again. So here we go. Look at this. Chili garlic crunch. You would like that. Brats. Sausage. Oh, parsley cheese.
What gave me away? I don't know either. Lucky guess.
Spinach feta. Rack of lamb. Real rib.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, look at this. Wow. And they said up there is where they dry them all out. That's amazing. That there? Wow. Yeah. The one that I got in Davenport, that whole big thing was $24. Oh. Fire crusted pork chop. We're still looking. You have a big selection. Oh, that sounds good. Look at that. The Roma sausage, pepperoni, capicola, and osceola. Parsley and cheese. Wow. And he said the hot dogs are really good. I'm ready. Could I get?
Making a little video?
I am. I am. We are going, we live like an hour and a half away, and we're going to be staying in a hotel that has a little mini fridge. So I'm just going to get a little amount because I don't know how long. I will.
Get you a big cooler.
I know, yeah. I'm going to get some of the pork, the casings. Do you make the sausage?
We make all the other sausages.
Do you?
Like,
Do you make the
not
sausage?
me personally, but we have a guy designated to be our sausage maker. Call him the Sausage King.
The Sausage King? We have a KitchenAid that I just got an attachment, so we're going to start making our own. We're going to learn.
Oh, yeah, that'll work perfect.
So I'm going to get that, please.
That'll do about 30 pounds.
Oh, wow. That's perfect. Thank you. Could I have 4 of the hot dogs, please?
All beef?
Yes. Is that the best?
That's my favorite.
Okay, good.
I just had one last time.
We just tasted some wine, and he said that they're really good. You know, when you have a hot dog and it runs out of the hot dog because the buns are so big.
Yeah. You got some wine to go with it.
Yes. Now, how do you buy the coil? Is it whatever is there?
Yeah, that's about a half-pound coil.
Okay, I'm going to get one of those, please, the parsley.
You like parsley cheese? Or
I'm going to get both. Now, is everything labeled so we'll know?
will be.
Okay, thank you. Look at this. Yummy. I'm only getting 2 sausages each. One said keep in mind of the size.
What else today?
Would you get the 2 coils? Okay, gotcha. 2 of those, please.
2 of those?
Yes. The pepperoni capicola. Have you ever been to the Boozy Pig? It's a butcher shop in Tampa. Yeah.
Where's that?
It's in Tampa. We've never been. I've only seen it on YouTube.
I've only been down here for a year, so I haven't ventured out very much.
Okay. The aged provolone, please.
It's a good one to do too.
What's your favorite?
You got the Roma right now. That's the new one. Garlic. My favorite is our fire roasted poblano, but we're in the process of making it right now. So we don't have it at the moment.
Oh, okay.
But that chili garlic crunch is amazing.
I wanted to get that for Glenn.
You want to do 2?
Yes, please. The chili crunch. She said that's good. Now that casing is up to 30 pounds. That casing is up to 30 pounds. So you can make up to 30 pounds of sausage with one package. Well, whatever it is, that one. Yeah. Probably that.
What up?
Did we get the chili crunch? Okay. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. Do you have the breakfast casings?
No, we don't have the small one.
Okay. Okay, alrighty. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now we need to get a buggy. Hold on. I wanted to get cheese, that cheese. So we just anything, and we got a lot of different type of sausage. And this here again is the parking lot.
It's been so long, it's cool all over again.
So we will be heading now to Tampa. That's where we're going to stay for the night. But they also have a butcher shop there. It's called the Boozy Pig. So we'll have to check that out. And there are tables out here with umbrellas if you want to get a sandwich or something.
Are you going to put this in a bag or in the styrofoam?
The bag
Which bag?
in the back. Okay, so here's some more seating. I always have an insulated bag and a bunch of reusable bags in the truck. So here is some more of the parking lot and all the Art Deco. Oh, look at those Christmas trees together. There's 4 of them. And straight across there is a Dunkin's. Oh, you know what? I should have got some coffee beans too. I guess I got excited when they started to talk about all the different sausages. Because the only place that we get sausage in Florida is Publix, and it's usually just sweet and hot, and they had a big selection. I didn't even think about bringing the shopping cart out. If you do, you park it right there. Well, this was such a fun day so far. We went to Chataway and we had a burger, onion rings, and Glenn got a cheesesteak. And now we're here at the Italian market. We are heading to Tampa from St. Petersburg, and we are going over the Andy Bridge. Coming here, we went over a bridge that was 14 miles long. Said, do not run out of gas. Oh no, they have a boat pulled over.